We will learn there are some helper are available. Okay, sometimes it's very much required to get it sorted out, okay, without going to check all these details. So first, like if you want to find any field, how you can do that? Okay, so like I want to find out if any field is not available. I have added in the screen, but it's not showing. Then how you can do the, just click on admin here. Where is my field? Here just search for that field, SLA field I'm searching. Here it will give you. So it's in the scope. What is the field condition? It's not there. SLA not request, view screen request. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, you have, and it doesn't have the value. So once you will resolve this issue, then this value, this field will be available. So like this you can check the field help. If you want the permission help, then click on here and SME. Okay, I am going to check it's having the admin permission or not. So like this you can see this user doesn't have admin permission. This user browse permission, let me check. This user has a browse permission. Okay, so like this you can check the permission. The notification, if you want to check, you can check. I'm checking for SME user issue created. It's not sending issue created notification. Okay, no default, because there is no mail server is associated. So like this you can check it. Thank you for watching.